Do you want to provide instant support to your customers and boost engagement? In today's video, I will show you how to set up Zendesk Live Chat for your business step by step. Whether you are a tech startup or an e-commerce business, Zendesk Live Chat can help improve your response time and keep your customers happy. Stick around because I will show you some pro tips that will help you optimize your chat for better customer experience and conversion. Let's get started.
Zendesk has a range of products businesses can use to support customer engagement. From their home page, you can navigate to products to see different products Zendesk has, from AI agents, AI and automations, messaging and live chats, help centers. They have product for help centers. You can integrate into your system for help center. They have voices. They have voice, quality assurance, data privacy, data privacy and protection, workforce management. For the sake of this tutorial, we are covering live chats, which is messaging and live chat. So we'll select messaging and live chat. All you need to do is to sign up for their free trial by putting your email address. If you see this, you see deliver rich conversational experiences, and the subcopy is provide instant help on your website, mobile apps, social and business channel. You can integrate the live chat to your mobile app. You can integrate it to your website. Basically, you can do a lot with Zendesk. So what you need to do next is to sign up for free trial using your email address. I'm going to use my email address. I've already signed up for the sake of this tutorial. So once you click on start your trial, put your email address and click on start your trial. Then you follow the registration process. So this is the registration process. It's going to ask you for your first name. From your first name, it's going to ask you your last name. From your last name, your phone number. From your phone number, it will ask you what company do you work for, right? From there, you type in the numbers of employees you have. You can choose from the drop down. Then you click on next. Then you enter your password and complete the trial sign up. Once you complete the trial sign up, it's going to take you to a page like this. It's going to take you to a page like this. Can you see? We have 14 days trial. They give you 14 days trial. But I signed up yesterday for the sake of this tutorial. Yesterday. So I have 13 days left. So it will take you to a page like this once you complete your trial sign up. From this list, you go to this settings. Click on settings here. From settings, you click on go to admin center. Select admin center. Once you click on admin center, it will take you to this admin center. If I hover on this, can you see Zendesk admin center? This is Zendesk admin center. From your Zendesk admin center, you have a lot of things. You have accounts, you have people. Under people, there are different configurations there. Under channels, there are different configurations there. Under AI, I showed you different products. They have different products Zendesk has. From there, you go to workspace. You can do a lot from workspace too. If you can come to object and rules, apps and integration. For live chat, we will go to channels. Under channels, we will select messaging. Live chat falls under messages. Once you select messaging, right, it will take you to a page like this. You will see your trial sign up, which is peculiar to your own website. Can you see when I was signing up, I used Adeshola Consulting. It has created a widget for me, a web widget, and the web widget is active. If you don't have anything here, just click on add new channel or click on manage settings or add new channel. And you can decide to add new channel. You can integrate it with WhatsApp, Instagram Direct, Facebook Messenger, and all. You can do a lot with Zendesk, but we are covering live chat. So since this widget is active, all I need to do is to click on this three dot here, and I'll select edit, right? Once I select edit, then I will go to the basic settings. This is the preview of the live chat we want to set up on our website. So you can give your channel a name, which is your live chat. I will leave this as Adeshola Consulting. If you can change it to anything that is peculiar to your business. When you come to allow customers to switch to channel, let your customers switch from web widget to their preferred channels to continue the conversations. Messages will be synced on WhatsApp and Facebook Messenger. You can decide to add your Instagram account here, your business Instagram account. You can decide to add your Facebook Messenger. You can decide to add your WhatsApp. You can also continue conversation through email with manage ticket settings. You can also allow customers to call using API. We are not covering that. This is simple if you want to add the Instagram and all. Then the next thing I'm going to do is to come to privacy notice. Under privacy notice, I'm going to click on this. We all know privacy is very, very important. This chat is recorded using a cloud service at the start of the conversation. So you select this. I'll come down and come to style. Under style, I have customized the look of your widget to match your brand. If you have a brand color, you can decide to customize the widget to suit your brand color or the brand color of your website. If you click on this drop down here, you can decide to change this. I can decide to change the position of the widget of the live chat to be left. You can decide to put yours to right. If you look at this primary color now, you can change this color to the color of your website. Just get the color palette. Messaging color, you can also change the messaging color, and action color. You can change a lot of things. If you want to use logo, you can use the logo. You can upload the logo here and do all sorts of things. And if you want to allow customers to upload items via your live chat, you can turn this on, and if you don't want, you can turn this off. So that's what you need to do. The text option appears next to the launcher, so you can make your edit here, but I want to leave this color the way it is. I just want to leave the color the way it is. You can change this to suit your brand. The next thing I will do is to come to responses. If you come to responses, you see doing business hour, first message, greet your customer when they launch the widget. This is the message. I will leave this as hi there, how can I help you today? You customer details, collect personal information so your agent know who they are talking to. I will leave this as name, and you can decide to leave this as email, but it is reasonable to leave it as name. Once you leave it as name, because you really want to know the name of the person you are talking to, so you can know how you can address them. So your follow-up message, let your customer know what happened next. Connecting you with someone. Now you can decide to say you are connecting them with with one of your agent. Now if you have a lot of people, then if you have a lot of people in your team, then I click on this. Then wait time. The next thing is wait time. I will see during business hours, set expectation for how long it may take to connect with an agent. Show estimated wait time if you want to do that, but I will do this and leave this the way it is here. Then I will move to authentication. Configure settings for unauthenticated and authenticated customers. I leave this the way they are and I won't do anything here. Then the most important part is installation of the code on your website. Installation of the code on your website. Add the web widget code snippet to your website. Once I click on this drop down, I will see this code. If you see this code, you see to make web widget visible to your customer, update the HTML of every page you want it on. Just paste this code snippet in before the closing body. So this is the code. So if you can't do it yourself, if you don't have access to the back end of your website and you can't do it yourself, you can email this code to your web developer. Just click email to team member. You put the email address of your web developer there, and they will add the code and with this instruction, just send this, attach this instruction to it. But I want to show you how to do it because I have access to this website. So I'm going to copy this code now. Once I copy this code, this is the website we are working with. This is an e-commerce website. So I'll go to the back end of this website. Once I come to the back end of this website, once I go to the back end of this website, let's go to the back end of this website. This is a WordPress website. The first thing you need to do is to come to plugins, then you click on add new plugin. Once you click on add new plugin, we are going to use a plugin to do it. So we will type HFCM. So this is the plugin. You see easily track code snippets, conversion pixel, or other script required by third-party services for analytics, marketing, or chat feature. You can use this plugin to do a lot of things. All you just need to do, I already have it on my PC. All you need to do is to install and activate it. Once you install and activate it, you see the plugin here, HFCM. Then you click on add new. Once you come here, select add new. Once you select add new, it means you want to add a code to your website. I will give the snippet name Zendesk Live Chat. The snippet type, if you read the instruction here, you will see it is HTML. So I will leave it as HTML. If I come to site display, I will leave it as site-wide. If you come to location here, you see location header. Leave it as header. Don't put it as footer, because the instruction here is to make web widget visible to customer. Update the HTML of every page you want it on. Just paste this code snippet in before the closing body. So it is before the closing body, so it has to be on the header, not footer. So device display show on all devices, and the status should be active. All I just need to do is to copy this code. I'll copy this code here, then I'll paste it here. You paste it here, then you click on save. If you scroll down here, you click on save. Once you save this, right, it means the code is already active on your website. Your live chat is now active. Can you see? Snippet created by admin on April 11. So the next thing I need to do is to come to this place and click on save. So I'll click on save. Once I click on save, I'll click on save again. So to be sure that I've saved it. Then once I do that, I'm good to go. You are good to go with every settings you need to do. So how can I verify if this is working? I'll come to the home page of my website and click on view site. If I click on view site, then I wait for a moment for the chat widget to pop up on my website. So I'm going to give it few. Let me refresh the page and wait for. So can you see the chat widget now? So we now have the chat widget by the left. So this is the chat widget. If I click on it now, can you see Adeshola Consulting built with Zendesk? So these are all the settings we've set up with the live chat. So it's asking me my name. So all I just need to do is to put in my name there. Let's say I put in my name there. Then I'll say send. Then the next thing you say, connecting you with someone now. Then I can now reply as a customer that I'm waiting patiently, something like that. Waiting patiently. So once I say I'm waiting patiently, you can see all this live chat. If you come to your back end here now, you can see all this live chat in your admin center. If you come to this place, all you just need to do, if you come to this place and you come to your home page, right, you can see all this your live chats here. You can see all resolved tickets. Can you see conversation with really one less than a minute ago? You can see it here. All tickets that you have, all conversations you have, your unresolved ticket, it is under unresolved ticket. So it means this conversation is still going on with the customer. If I come to this place now, these are all the customers. These are all the customers. Can you see the name of the customer? Really one that I just chatted now. It will be here. All customers, suspended user. If I come to this place now, I will see the name all organizations, which is my organization. If you have more than one organization that you are using Zendesk for, you can add it there. And this is reporting. This is reporting. So you can do reporting of Zendesk Live Chat, create report about your agent activity and customer experience in chat and all. So, but this is where you will manage everything. Unresolved tickets. If you want to delete tickets, you can decide to manage view and everything.
And there you have it. Your Zendesk chat is now live and ready to engage your customers on your website. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel. I will see you in my next video.